Okay, today our topic is microorganisms and antibiotics. Now let's see what are microorganisms. A microorganisms or microbe is an organism which is microscopic, which means so small that people cannot see them with naked eyes. Next, you all know that all living beings need energy for their life processes to continue their life processes. So, among the life processes, we only discuss the nutrition process of microorganisms here. See, microorganisms may either be free living or parasitic. Some use photosynthesis like plants do. Some break down natural chemicals in their environments. Others feed on things that were once living, such as fallen leaves and dead animals, to fulfill their energy requirement for living. Next, you can see here the pictures of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and you can see protist virus. And you know about the coronavirus. Listen, a virus is a sub-microscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Means the viruses cannot be replicated, means cannot be increased their numbers in outside of a living organism's body. So to reproduce, to increase their number, they have to enter in your body or other living beings. And see microorganisms in daily life. See, microorganisms are very useful in our daily lives as they are used in food, fermented food, and beverages, and in medicines. See, to produce antibiotics, vaccines, hormone, etc. See, in industry, to produce pigments, acid, enzymes, biofertilizer, biopesticides. Next, to degrade harmful substance such as plastic. Next, you can see what is fermentation. The fermentation is a process in which a substance breaks down into a simpler substance. Microorganisms like yeast and bacteria usually play a role in fermentation process, creating beer, wine, etc. See about vaccine. A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. Next, harmful effect of microorganisms. See, bacteria. Bacteria cause various diseases such as typhoid, diarrhea, and cholera. Fungi. Fungi cause a large number of diseases in plants and in animals, such as rust diseases in plants, foot rot in apple, rat rot in sugarcane, and ringworm diseases in human beings. Algae. Algal bloom in water means rapid growth of algae cause poisonous effect after they die, which in turn results in the death of aquatic organisms. Protozoa cause amoebic, dysentery, sleeping sickness, etc. Virus cause smallpox, common cold, influenza, hepatitis, polio, and rabies, etc. Next, see what are antibiotics. See, an antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance active against bacteria and is the most important type of antibacterial agents for fighting bacterial infections. See, now precautions while taking antibiotics. See, number 1, antibiotics should be taken under the supervision of a well-qualified doctor. 2, course of antibiotics should be completed as prescribed by the doctor. Number 3, antibiotics should be taken in the right amount and at the right time. A wrong dose of antibiotics makes the drug infective. Also, excessive consumption of drug may kill the useful bacteria present in our body.